The NDP's 20% hike in business taxes reduced jobs, growth, and revenues.
From inside a vacant office space in downtown Calgary, the leader of the United Conservative Party details more plans of his campaign as the spring election looms in Alberta. Jason Kenney says in order to fix the economic woes, a major cut to corporate taxes is needed. Citing research from local economists, he believes reducing the corporate income tax from 12% to 8% over 4 years would create over $1 billion in revenue and at least 55,000 jobs.
We need to get the attention of investors and businesses, large and small, all across Canada and around the world, to send a message that we're open for business again. The reason we've gone with such a bold reduction in taxes on job creators is because I want the presidents of publicly traded companies in Toronto and Montreal and Vancouver to feel compelled to go to their boards to say how much they could save in taxes if they were to relocate to Alberta.
Now, it would take at least a full year for the plan to take effect, resulting in around a $350 million shortfall initially, but Kenney would offset that by canceling the recent multi-billion-dollar plan to lease rail cars and boost crude-by-rail shipments. Bottom line is that the UCP leader says the last 4 years of NDP policies have not worked.
So, Albertans have a choice. They can either listen to the stale class warfare rhetoric of the NDP, or they can actually follow the evidence. We prefer evidence-based policy.
Now, Kenney says this strategy has been done before in Alberta, albeit when oil prices were about twice as high as they are right now. And there is ample evidence showing raising corporate taxes can help the economy. The most recent example of cutting corporate rates in the United States has had mixed results, with short-term gains in some sectors, losses in others, and also a foggy horizon laying ahead. In response, the Premier says this is not helpful and will result in cuts to other sectors, including education.
In our view, we need to make sure that Alberta works for everyone, especially those kids, not just the very, very rich and corporate elite. And I don't know about you, but I didn't wake up this morning and think to myself, gee whiz, you know who needs a little more help right now in these times? I know, big corporations already making a profit. That's not what I said to myself.
In Calgary, Tom Ross, City News.